Welcome to the show, and today we have Zak from MicroStrategy. Hi, Zak.
Hi.
How are you?
Doing great. How are you?
Good. We would like to know more about your participation in the event and the AI and everything.
Yeah, no, it's been a really great event. It's really interesting to hear the different strategies that are going with AI, the different things that not just organizations, but government and everyone is kind of doing. And the conversations you have, it's such a hot topic, right? It's evolved so much. I mean, before this, I was in California 5 years ago or so before I moved to Dubai. And even then it was, you had all your AI startups and things like this. And every year or 2 years, it changes. It's a completely new spectrum, a completely new different world. So it's really interesting to talk about not just the new technologies that are out there, but the new strategies that are coming and how it's actually being applied.
How do you see, especially that you moved to Dubai, how do you see the AI sector here, and especially with the startups?
Yeah, I love it. I mean, one of the things about Dubai is it's always striving to be very innovative, right? So really taking the best and the brightest of AI and really investing in it. And this is what, more than other governments are doing, I would say, in a lot of cases, really investing in it, not just for things like security and stuff like this, but for actually improving the city, for improving people's happiness, for these type of things. And that's the really cool thing. I mean, I've been to, say, Smart Dubai's AI Innovation Office. I was just blown away. You know, I hadn't seen anything like it before. So it's always kind of built as the city of the future, and it lives up to these things as well.
Yeah, and the best part is, like, as you said, they have a strategy, like by 2031,
yeah, exactly.
They want to be the leading country in AI and everything. Can you tell us more though about MicroStrategy? What services do you provide?
Yeah, so MicroStrategy, we're a BI platform, right? And so what we do is we allow you to then take the AI insights that you have and take them from kind of your data scientists and the silo of technologists and translate it into the way that business can really understand. So your decision makers can actually make decisions, because if you just give them a huge output from an AI algorithm, that doesn't mean they can make a decision on it, even if it has all the useful data there. So we can do this in traditional ways like dashboards, mobile applications, and this type of output. But what we really have that's more innovative is something called hyperintelligence, which is these intelligent KPI cards. So they're designed to be cards. So I give you my business card. I don't give you my printout of a LinkedIn profile, which is kind of how I compare the hypercard versus, say, a dashboard or something. And it embeds it into the technology people are already using. So whether you're in your CRM, whether you're in your call center, whether you're in your ERP, whether in your email, it takes these intelligent KPI cards that have data, have information on a particular topic, store, customer, employee, product, whatever. Strategy, it can even be, has the data going in there, has the AI-powered insights. It can have recommendations from it that are going in there as well. And it puts them into the places people are already working. So if you're in your email, and let's say you have a particular product that's in the email, or maybe a customer, right, an important customer. It gives you an underline there, and you see that there's an intelligent KPI hypercard there. You hover over it, it puts the card up.
Love it.
It tells you everything about the customer you need to know, gives you maybe a recommendation, so you know what you need to do next. You don't have to go open up another application to go find where it is, and then you say, hey, I need to email this person, I need to call this person, I need to do whatever, but now you know. Now you can actually make your kind of insight-driven decisions.
Love it. But what do you think? There are so many people that think that AI is a threat for other people's jobs and things like that. Do you think it will take over?
I mean, anytime you innovate, it just allows people to do better things, right? I mean, look at history and how it's evolved over the course of time. I mean, if you look at, there's kind of these big innovation sectors that happen. So it's like, whether the wheel or the machine, or eventually the circuit and electricity and computer and all these things. Well, you have these major innovations. It used to be quite long in between them, right? But as you get more innovations, it allows people to work on other things and innovate faster. So what you've seen in the past 100 years or so, or even more, is that these major innovations are happening in a much shorter span. So it's not that people are losing their jobs, it's that they're able to do better things and then innovate and make the world a more a better place on your outlook, right?
100%. And it saves money, saves effort, and a lot of things, and time, most importantly.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what we all want, time,
exactly.
Right?
Time. Thank you so much for being with us, and best of luck.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.